Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.19 Application Conceptual Foundation. Maximizing profit is the foundational concept. To know what the profit is, the cost must be known. Understanding cost details provides financial control of the project from start to finish. At a minimum, 2 perspectives are combined to validate this cost workup process. The first perspective is from the person preparing the cost workup. The second and possibly a third and fourth perspectives are from the person fabricating the fixture, the individual purchasing a fixture, and the fixture designer. To ensure profitability, a congruence of the goals guides all participants through possible different concepts of the parts and components that will comprise the fixture, but all of them expect the most profitable results. This combination of perspectives is discussed in the instruction example 2.1.20 next. Understanding this conceptual foundation makes it easier to learn the process and effectively utilize the results. Pragmatically, this means that the participants do not have to control the exact step-by-step process of the participants. What must be known is the schedule and current milestone values of materials and manpower input into the fabrication. This application provides the quantity values of materials and manpower to be input into fixture fabrication. Given the current status, the participants establish their comfort level of whether or not production, shipping, delivery, and installation will be completed on schedule. This example 2.1.19 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.20.